tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I am going to be installing this wig two ways, and it's very simple to the perfect wet look. So if that sounds like something that you might be interested in, stick around for all the details.
Think you knew it before, but you just think.
Today's hair sponsor is Julia Hair. I am obsessed with Julia Hair. All of their wigs that I've ever tried has been absolutely gorgeous every single time. I don't know how they do it, but I'm impressed. Every single wig that I get, I love. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 6x4x5 parting space. This is in the Water Wave texture and HD lace.
It wasn't even nice. You wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride in his dad's Jaguar. Swept up in the moment, sitting in his car. But you know he won't take you far. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take back.
The first thing I like to do is adjust this strap because I know that I like it a bit more snug. So, did that. Let's see. Okay. Those baby hairs are not sticking around. Okay, so we're gonna restyle these baby hairs. First I'm gonna curl them. It's like I need to attend to them immediately before moving forward. Let's see if we even want the baby hairs. Let's try to push some back. Yeah, because that might be too much hair. Okay, so we can definitely take some away. There's a bit of extra lace just right here. I'm gonna remove that. See how it's like curling up right here? Just cut that off.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you just.
I'm just plucking a couple of those hairs right in the front here that I know I don't want.
Oh, I'll come and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but I worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward when your brain's wide?
One of the next things that I'm going to do is slightly clean up the hairline. I'm just going to use some foundation. This happens to be the one from Sephora, just to hide that lace right there.
For disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste.
Leave it in its natural state, so I'm gonna show you guys it just like that. 2 seconds in. Put some gel right there to clean that up. That looks very beautiful, you guys, but I think we are going to style her wet today, so we're going to do the wet look. So I'm going to come right back because I do want to take some pics like this, but we're going to come back and do the final detailing. But this is what she's looking like gluelessly.
Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. While you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lie.
So now I'm going to show you guys my little trick to have the perfect wet look. it only takes 2 products. You don't need any hair mousse. I actually prefer not to use hair mousse because it leaves the wig crunchy. So this is what we're gonna use: water and Eco Style. First, I like to go in with a hefty amount, okay? So like that much. And just lather it on the hair. Making sure that you're getting the ends as well. But if you do want to use hair mousse, you most definitely can. Like I said, I prefer not to use mousse. And I'm just gonna spray. Spray, 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 spray. If you have a wet brush like this, that is great. Use it because that's what it's made for. It's for this purpose.
That you tell yourself, that you tell yourself, have a good time, but worry.
So you can see the difference with the curl. It's more like defined when it comes, but when you wet it, it looks more like this. So that's the look we're going for.
Yeah, petrified when they think of my word. When your brain's quiet for disaster, even good things.
I'm actually going to spray her down with some hairspray just along here, because I actually do want to wear this wig all day. Okay, I'm just going to tie it down really quickly. You can continue combing out the curls. This is so cute. 24-inch is giving me longer than that. We're definitely not mad about it. I really like it. I think this wig is the perfect style for someone who likes curly hair but doesn't necessarily feel comfortable with the super kinky, coily curls. Or water wave texture is just a gorgeous texture all around. It looks good every time. If you want to try a curly wig and this is like your first curly wig, I would suggest trying this wig because it comes ready to wear. They have bleached the knots for you. They've styled it for you. You can literally plop it on and go. Also, the wig is colored jet black. I love me a black wig. It's just my favorite color for a wig is just like jet black. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to purchase this wig from Julia Hair, I'm going to link it in the description box for you. And if there's a coupon code, of course, it's going to be down there as well. So don't forget to check that out before you go. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, leave me a thumbs up because it really does go a long way. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.